2 months ago, I made a video about purchasing things from Temu online when I practically ordered a lot of things from Temu about 3 months ago. Got them, look at the product, made a video about it, and some of you were like asking me a lot of questions. In that video, I said there are things I don't know yet until I get to a point where I might have to dispute a poor quality product or have to return it back to the seller. And that time seems to have come because I got another set of stuff from Temu, which I feel that one of them probably is not worth using and I'm gonna have to go in for a refund. But let me just show you that and let's see. This is the first set of thing I'm buying from Temu in the past 6 months, and we're going to go through it one by one and see which one that's actually is working, starting from the card reader. Okay, so I got some card reader from AliExpress and I decided to get this one and tested it, and my God, it works. Thank God. So let's move into the next one, which is the elephant in the room, and that is the card, micro SD card. This one has CE at the back. Like, I've not seen it like this before. 512 gig. Wow. Oh, they said it's 512 gig. When I saw it, I know it's gonna be fake. Of course, I have to test it out with H2 test W, and it showed clearly that it's fake. Come on, we have just about 7.8 gig, and I tried even half of it. I mean, come on. Well, it's confirmed. I might have to ask for a refund, so you have to watch till the end when I will go through that process. But let's check this one out. This is vacuum cleaner. I think it's the major thing I bought, and then I added this one, to complete the discount and all that they do in Temu. So the vacuum cleaner, we're going to test it out. And let's see, how does it work? Oh, it's working. But the real test have to be inside a car where we're going to pack all the sands out. Well, it did suck out the sand here, but let's go back to the elephant in the room, which is the SD card that is fake and substandard. The H2 test W, you can see clearly that this so-claimed 512 gig is just about 8 gig of genuine storage and a very, very poor low-speed SD card. I have started the process of refund for my money. So how do you get your money back? Time is of the essence. So after 2 days, I tested this SD card. I have to go in immediately to my orders. So you go to your orders and you select the particular product that is faulty or fake or bad. Make sure you have videos and pictures, evidence to prove your case, because if you don't have, you're probably not going to get a refund. So this is it. On the right side of the order, you click on return and refund. In this case, it asks you if you received your package. If you say no, it's going to show the tracking record, and in this case it showed this thing was delivered 18th of April 2026. So that is the case. So if you say yes, that you have received it, then you have to put in the evidence, write the reason, and then go to the next step. Then that next step will give you some information to ask you confirm that yes, this is what you're doing, and then you're going to be the person paying for sending it back. And this is where it becomes tricky. So if you want to know the process of getting that, click on this now. Let me go back to the order. This is the order. Then it will ask you for barcode. So make sure that the case, the packet that came with it, that you kept it. Step 2 is you're going to return it, and then this is already the number you call if you have to, and then there's a tracking code they will give you for your refund. So that 7 code, make sure you have it, and then after that you have gone to the office, they give you a receipt for your courier that's sending it back to them to the address. Then you put it here as evidence, but I've not done that yet because of few reasons. The cost of sending it back is almost the cost of what I'll get as refund. So what's the need of doing that? But if you want me to do that, let me hear from you in the comment section. If you want me to still do the refund and say the process, I'll do that and do a follow-up video. So my conclusion, do you want to use Temu? Of course, there are 1 or 2 things you can get in Temu, like the card reader I got was working, the vacuum cleaner. It was cheap, it works. Though I will not say it's of high quality, I don't know how long it's going to last, but then it works. So you can get some little cheap things from Temu, but if you want to get things that have to do with OEM certified high quality devices, you're not going to get it very well from Temu. So you might consider AliExpress, which is better, or you can go all Amazon, eBay, where you can get, you know, correct, confirmed OEM stuff. Let me hear your Temu experience in the comment section and let's share and know what it is like. So make sure you click on that like, share, subscribe button, turn on notification bell icon, because once I get the refund or not get the refund, I'm going to make another video on talking about it here about Temu. And until I see you in the next one, it is peace to our world. Subscribe. I see you.